Nice.
Oh my god! Wow!
I built this entire video ad with the help of free AI tools. Today I'm excited to share the step-by-step process of how you can create similar video ads easily, even with minimum experience in AR video editing. Learn these skills now and gain a head start over the competition. So without further ado, let's get started. Today I'm going to create a video ad for Italian pizza and burger. So first we need a video script.
Okay.
But I have already script. If you don't want to squeeze your brain and writing script, then go to ChatGPT prompt in search box. Write script for video ad on Italian pizza and burger. It will generate script for you. If you want to add more details in script, you can add duration of the video, narration or dialogue. I'll leave prompt in description for you to try today's video. Script is ready. And now we need to create scenes images. To do that, I'm asking ChatGPT to describe me in detail each shot, camera, angle, shot type and lens. With this, I can create very good images without writing prompts by myself. For creating images, I'm using Leonardo AI. Here, login or sign up with email or Google account. After you log in the left side menu, click image generation and you will come to here. First, let's add the image prompt here. To do that, go to ChatGPT, copy scene description and paste it in the prompt area. Next, go back to ChatGPT and copy and paste camera angle and lens details in the prompt area. Choose according to that. After everything is set, click generate. In seconds, you will get your images. If you don't like the results, you can generate again. Okay, I created all the images. After create scene images, we need to turn our images to videos. To do that, I'm using this free AI tool called Runway Mail. Click try Runway Mail for free and sign up with your email or Google account. After you sign up, click start with image here. Click this image plus description. This way you can upload your image and describe what you want in the video. To that, click generate and your video will start to generate. Okay, our video is ready now. You can watch it by clicking play button. If you don't like the video created, you can describe again and hit generate. This way you can turn all the images into videos. But keep in mind, in Runway free plan, we only get 105 credits, which means we can create videos up to 105 seconds.
Okay.
But you want alternative of Runway ML, you can try Genmo AI. I already made video how to generate image to video with Genmo AI. I'll give link in description and in I button. Now all our videos are ready and all we need some music go along with our video ad. We can use royalty free non-copyright source of music like Pixabay, YouTube, audio library and many more. I'm using Pixabay right now. First click music option. Now search for the music you want. I'm creating ad on food item. So I'm search food related music here. We have some music tracks you can play and select a suitable track for your video easily. Click on download button to download your desired track. Now our videos and music are ready. We need to edit our video. To do that, I'm using this super easy CapCut video editor. You can download CapCut or any other video editor in your PC. To edit your video now, I'm using CapCut. First upload your video clips and music to CapCut. To do that, import and upload all the video clips and music files. Next, drag and drop your video clips to timeline according to the scenes. After that, drag and drop your music file.
Okay.
And we'll quickly adjust video clips according to the music track. As you can see here, our video is ready now. Then click export button here, give name your video file and click on export. Your video is exporting now into your PC. With the help of few AI tools now, you can create a video ad easily and for free. This AI technology is developing very rapidly. In the future, we can create high quality video ads and movies better than ever. I hope you find this video helpful and learn something new today. So like this video and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon for more AI content like this. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in next video.